Great post, Christy. I just got done watching your video and think that you brought up a lot of good points. I think one thing that I've seen with a person in my family is them just staying in a relationship because it's easier to stay in it. The stagnating of the coming apart in a relationship, the inactivity, the fear. I think that's the biggest thing, that the fear of moving on, and you sit there for months or years and just keep doing what you're doing because it's easier, or you don't want to have to give up half your 401k, or I have lots of friends that are unhappily married that stay married because they don't want to lose what they have. Me personally, I don't think that's a good way to live your life, but I guess to each his own. I think over the years I've had different relationships that haven't worked out, and they've all kind of followed the same steps that you outlined. So I think that you just need to do the best that you can to, if you know the relationship's not going anywhere, instead of sitting there for months or years just being miserable, it's easier just to stop it right then and there and move on. And I think that you guys will both be much happier and healthier emotionally if you just terminate it sooner than later. But great post, Christy.